Hi, I'm Stefan from NRC. Welcome to our booster troubleshooting series. Let's get into it. If both sides of a double-acting booster overheat, the cycle speed is probably too high. Measure the piston speed, compare it with the NRC specifications and reduce it. If only one side of a double-acting booster is getting hotter than 60 degrees under a light load, the evacuation outlet valve is likely faulty. Stop the booster and send it for inspection. If a single-acting booster overheats, the cycle speed is set too high. Reduce it and measure the heat again. If it's still overheating, the evacuation outlet valve is likely faulty. Stop the booster and send it for inspection. If your tanks are not equalizing, check that all valves are fully open. The extraction tank, the needle valve and the receiving tanks valve. If they are and it's still not equalizing, send the booster for inspection. If air is constantly venting from the safety valve, you probably reached your final pressure. If not, the valve or your gauge is faulty. If you hear grinding, rattling or scraping noises, the cause could be worn-out piston rings, damaged cylinder walls, debris on the valve block, etc. Stop the booster and send it for inspection. If you hear gas coming out from the brush side port, that's normal. It's the exhaust gas and no repair is needed. I hope this video was helpful. If that doesn't fix your problem, please contact us at NRC for further support. See you next time!